Welcome back to Investosphere, the channel where we unlock real strategies to help you grow your income online. Today, we're diving into a lesser-known but incredibly powerful method of making passive income: selling low-content books on Amazon. KDP. This isn't just theory. This is a real-world opportunity you can start today with zero inventory, no publishing experience, and minimal upfront cost. So, if you've been searching for a simple, scalable way to earn online, one that works, even while you sleep, then stay with me till the end. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single step to build and grow a successful low-content book business using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Number 1. What are low-content books? Let's begin with the basics. What exactly are low-content books? These are books that contain minimal to no written content. Think journals, notebooks, planners, coloring books, logbooks, sketchbooks, and even puzzle books. Unlike novels or textbooks, low-content books don't require long hours of writing or storytelling. Why are they popular? Because people actually buy them in huge numbers. Whether it's a fitness journal, a gratitude planner, or a meal tracker, consumers are always looking for tools to organize their lives. This is where you step in as a creator. Number 2. Why choose Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is Amazon's free platform that allows anyone to publish books and sell them worldwide. Here's why it's perfect for low-content publishing. It's free to use. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn royalties for each sale. You don't need to hold any inventory. All you need to do is upload a properly formatted PDF file and a great-looking cover. Then set your price, hit publish, and your book becomes available to millions of Amazon customers. Number 3. What types of low-content books sell best? Let's talk about what types of low-content books actually make money. Here are some of the top performers: daily planners, gratitude journals, fitness and diet logs, budget planners, password trackers, puzzle books, Sudoku, crosswords, coloring books, wedding planners, student notebooks focus on niches with consistent demand. For example, weight loss journals or productivity planners have year-round demand. Number 4. Researching niches and keywords. Before you start creating anything, you need to understand what's already selling and what keywords people are searching for. Use tools like Amazon Search Bar Suggestions, Amazon Bestsellers Rank, BSR, Publisher Rocket, Paid Tool, Book Bolt, niche and keyword research. Look for niches with low competition but good demand. For example, instead of a generic fitness journal, niche down to fitness journal for women over 40. Number 5. Designing your low-content book. You don't need to be a designer to create these books. You can use tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, Book Bolt Designer. Create the interior pages, such as dated planners, to-do lists, or sketch pages. Make sure your interior is clean, consistent, and easy to use. Then design a visually appealing cover. The cover is what sells the book. It has to look professional. Use high-contrast fonts, clean design, and colors that match your niche. Number 6. Formatting and uploading to KDP. Once your book interior and cover are ready, here's what you need to do. Format the interior as a PDF. KDP accepts only PDF interiors. Format the cover as per KDP dimensions, available in KDP Cover Calculator. Go to kdp.amazon.com and create an account. Upload your interior and cover files. Set your book title, subtitle, description, keywords, and category. Set your pricing. Choose royalty option, 60%. Make sure your title and subtitle contain relevant keywords to help with Amazon search rankings. Number 7. Pricing strategy. Pricing is crucial. Most low-content books are priced between $5.99 and $9.99. Don't try to go too low or too high. Test different price points. Study competitors. Consider offering multiple variations, different designs, sizes, or themes. Number 8. Creating a brand. One powerful way to grow is by building a brand. Here's how. Use the same pen name for similar books. Create a niche-specific series, e.g., Busy Mom Planners. Design covers that match your brand style. Add social media links or websites inside your books. Building a brand helps you gain loyal customers and increases repeat purchases. Number 9. Scaling and marketing your books. Once you have a few books published, you can scale your income by publishing more books in similar niches. Outsourcing design work. Running Amazon ads. Start with a small budget. Promoting on Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube using influencer marketing. Just publish and pray. Actively promote your books. Number 10. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly touch on mistakes beginners often make. Using copyrighted material or images. Poor formatting and design. Wrong dimensions or bleed settings. Ignoring keyword research. Copy pasting competitor content. Always create original, high-quality content to build long-term success. There you have it, your complete roadmap to building a profitable low-content book business on Amazon KDP. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people who just dream about passive income but never take action. Now, it's your turn. Which niche are you thinking about publishing in first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Investosphere, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another strategy that could change your financial future. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I reply to as many as I can. And here's my final question for you. If you could earn $500 a month in passive income from low-content books, what would that mean for your life? Let's talk about it.